Good evening, sir. Hope you and your family members are doing
Good
good
evening.
and safe at home, and are safe at home, sir.
Yep, same here.
Yes,
Same
sir.
to you,
Sir,
actually.
I'm Prajit Lonawat from Team Symposium PIIT, sir. Actually, we are a group of students who bring in ideas from different domains to guide and help our audience in their various subjects and topics, sir. Okay, the main motto of our club is to have a healthy discussion on the topics which we deal in our day-to-day life, sir, so that we can have a better result in our life. We are pleased and glad to have you as our first guest, sir, on our online series. So here I'm ready with our questions, sir. Hope you are also okay, sir. So my first
Bring
question
it
is,
on.
yes, sir. So my first question is, we all have our childhood dreams. Like we all dream about big things in our childhood. So you might have also dreamt about a lot of many things in your childhood. So was being an author one of your childhood dreams, sir, or it just came by?
No, actually, the thing is that whatever we dreamed of now until now. Suppose I'm in my childhood, I was like 10 years old, 11 years old, and I wrote a story at that time saying Ganpat Rao in Marathi,
Okay.
and my father read that. And after reading that, my father said, like, my son will complete my dream of becoming a writer and all these things.
Oh.
So my mom was chup beto.
So the roots are from the childhood
uh,
only.
yeah, I didn't know about it. My father told me once I published this book, The Conqueror of Destiny. After that, my father told me, my mom told me that in childhood you wrote a story about Ganpat Rao. It's a small story, 1-2 pages.
Okay.
So my father was quite sure about it, he will do it anyhow. But the real thing, it came in college. In college
Oh.
days, wow, man! Like I used to write dramas for that in gatherings, and there are 2-3 competitions. Vinodattam, Karandak, Purushottam.
Okay. So, but actually, you identified you had that talent in college days, but you had that talent from the childhood itself. So, your father identified it in the childhood itself. Like that's what
Yes,
I
yes,
think.
yes. You are my. That's what my name is, Raghavan. My name is after my father only, Raghunath.
Yes, sir.
So
You told
Raghavan is
us.
from Raghunath. My original name is not Raghavan.
Yes, sir. We know that.
So because of that, this is a small tribute to my father. That's it.
Okay. So, then how did you like after getting a proper job? Like you're a mechanical engineer, and you also told that you had a
Yeah.
good job. And why did you shift to author then? So, like life was going good, then suddenly a major takeoff to a author, sir.
My father only, when I was about 25 now, my father
Okay.
only told me, come on, yeah, you are not born to do lifetime job for 10 acres of campus, like
Oh.
10 acres of company campus. Your
Okay.
life should be like the whole world. Skip that. What are you doing? Like, he just made me so small, so small. So because of that, like the most influence, like I'll say, we say like influence karte hai log, the
हाँ,
personality,
सही है सर.
impact, full impact. My father, that's it. My father has like tremendous out of the box thinking.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful to hear, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. And they know very well. So
Oh,
I learn a lot from my father.
good to hear that, sir. Good to hear that. Okay. Moving on, I have another question wherein you have wrote the inspirational books, sir, Conqueror of Destiny, and many of my friends and colleagues have inspired from that book, sir. So I want to know the books which you read in your childhood or during your growth as an author, which inspired you, sir.
Yes, I would suggest all of you. First one is Mrutyunjay. It was
Mrutyunjay.
very
Okay.
old book. Marathi, it is in Marathi, but
Okay.
it is like awesome book. I read it with my father in about, I think I was in 9th or 10th standard. My
Okay.
father used to tell me again and again, read that book, and I was like, nah, nah. But anyhow, I ended up reading that, and wow, like so much of it. First one is Mrutyunjay.
Mrutyunjay.
Second one is, yes, Mrutyunjay. Then Alchemist, you know?
Yes, sir. I have heard the book. Actually, not a good
Yes,
reader,
yes.
but I have heard many books.
Okay. That story is too awesome. And
Oh.
after that, all love stories book. I love
Oh.
to read love stories because
Good to hear that, sir.
yes. Because
Okay, moving on, sir. Actually, this question, many of our viewers are asked me to ask this question. have you ever thought like some day like this would come in our life and like stop the entire country like in a lockdown situation? And things made your quarantine productive. Like, what were the things that helped during your quarantine? It made your quarantine productive, sir.
Okay, so I never expected this as of now. Like all we do,
Yes,
we
sir.
never expected this. And the second thing, I'm coming back to this question about productive quarantine. I must tell you that all the interviews, like all the celebrities interviews, I every day wake up at around 7 a.m., 8 a.m.
Okay.
And after that, every day I'm seeing a new interview
Oh, oh. Like
of
getting inspired
any
every day.
celebrity. Yeah, of any celebrity, Robert Downey Jr., like Chris
Favorite, sir, favorite.
Hemsworth. Yeah, all of them. Like yesterday, today only. Today, Hrithik Roshan and Anupama Chopra. There was a small session. No, not a big small session, big session of 1 hour.
A
Hrithik
reality
Roshan,
show
Anupama.
with Anupam Kher holds, no, sir?
No, Anupama Chopra. She is a
Okay,
critic.
Anupam Chopra. Okay, okay, okay.
On YouTube, you will find so many interviews
Okay,
with so many celebrities,
okay.
Anupama Chopra and all. So every day I see interviews. So because of that, my thinking goes in that way every day.
Oh, good to hear that, sir. Like it will be a great
Yes,
beneficial of us.
like morning 30 to 35 minutes if you are spending on interviews. Wow, man, that is like
A boost for your
awesome
day,
feeling.
sir.
And
Solid boost for your
yes,
day.
yes, yes. Yeah, solid boost. And after that, slowly, after lunch, uh, I always take afternoon laps. Not a big deal in
Okay.
that. Sabhi lete hain. But in the evening and in the night, I mostly write a lot. Especially in the
Oh,
night, peaceful time.
so you're writing another book, sir. So we can wait for one more.
Yeah. My next book, The Mirage of Temptation, is 70% complete.
Oh,
I'm
so
posting.
when are you
Yeah,
planning,
it will
sir?
be in December 2020. So, yes, one more thing I must tell you that for English communication skills and all these things,
Okay.
many students watch series, watch movies, but
Yes.
they don't follow the subtitles thing. You must
Okay.
speak those subtitles.
Okay, sir. I do, sir. I personally do.
Yeah, act it na. Only when you start speaking the subtitles na,
So
your
your
tongue
mind
will
will
be like,
process.
yeah, that fluency, the fluency of the dialogues, you will catch them.
So we hear that motivational talks and motivational songs, etc., have a major impact on our lives, sir. But how long do you think, sir, external motivation works, sir?
External motivation works for the effect. That's it. I don't talk in that air and all these things. हवा में बातें मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करता. I'm talking you the reality. I'm
Okay.
talking about reality. I'm telling you the fact. External motivation only live for that effect. That's it. Only for the effect.
So the internal
You
motivation,
want real,
which plays the
yes.
major
If
role, no,
you
sir.
want, yes. If you want real motivation, na, it should be within you.
आग लगनी चाहिए खुद के अंदर, something like that.
Yes. And for that purpose, many of them tell you like you must read books, you must read those inspirational stories, or you must
Yes, sir.
watch motivational videos. But I must tell you that the basic reason for motivation is surrounding.
Surrounding. Oh, okay, sir. And one more thing, so
You
like
just
goal which you achieve,
do you
sir,
know
which you
quota?
need to achieve.
Do you know quota? Do you know quota?
Quota, yes, sir. Of course, I mean mechanical students.
Yes. Many of them go to quota just for the habit of studying.
Studying, yes, sir. I heard that.
Even if you the aware of that IAS coaching in Delhi for IAS, IES,
Yes, sir. There's
most of
two
them
major
go
institutes
Delhi.
throughout the
Yes,
country.
yes. Rouse Circle. Actually, they
Yes, sir.
invited me, so I know that name.
Oh,
So in Rouse Circle, if you somebody look at here, na Sadashiv Pet in Pune,
yes, sir.
MPSC
Sadash.
students are gathering in Sadashiv Pet. That
Yes, sir.
Dronacharya and something. I don't know the names of those institutes. But the most important thing is surrounding. If you go to that surrounding, na, then you will feel that kind of motivation inside you.
Yes, sir.
You tell me if you are every day, if you are going to swimming pool and if you are dreaming about cricket, How can it be possible? Tell me.
I know, sir. I know. It's very
Yeah,
difficult, sir.
engineering students do the same mistake. They thought of some kind of extracurricular activity and they live in engineering surrounding.
Engineering circle, yes, sir.
How will it be possible? Yeah, come on.
Like ikkada
You should
arda ani
change your
ikkada
surrounding.
arda.
Yeah, you should change your surrounding at least for Saturday and Sundays.
Yes, sir.
5 days you must go to engineering college. 2 days go for your passion. That's the thing.
So moving on, sir. Actually, we are at the end of our discussion with our talks. So I need to know your take on the following current situation, which is hashtag boycott China and hashtag boycott Chinese product. What is your take on this, sir? Like, is India possibly producing Chinese products and without Chinese stuff, sir? Just your opinion on this, sir.
My opinion is all about unity.
Unity, okay.
The most basic thing is unity. We are talking a lot about it. We are not taking any small action. Yesterday I went down to my society, that kirana stores and all these things, and some 2-3 guys came and they are asking for that bat that used to kill mosquitoes, that current bat.
There's a stick, table tennis,
There is a stick,
lawn tennis stick. Kind of
yeah, lawn tennis
stick,
like
yes,
bat is there, and they are asking for that. The shopkeeper says like, the shopkeeper said, dude, it's a China product. And our guys, youth, engineering students who are posting like boycott China, they say, chalta hai na bhai, chalna, chhodna, dena, machhar bahut ho gaye.
So basically, it depends upon mentality, sir.
It is all about mentality. It is all about unity. We all Indians must unite, because you see, 75% Indians are not taking any small action, and 25% of them like nare lagare, like we will do it. There is no use. Rather than that, skip all the things and do one simple thing. Just when you go out, see ISI mark, take it. That's it. The real change will start from you.
Yes, sir.
There is, like, you can uninstall all the Chinese apps. You can do that easily. It is, yes. Sir, see, the real thing is within us. If you are happy, you can make everyone happy. That's it.
Yes, sir.
If you are sorted now, everybody around you will feel the same amount of enthusiasm.
Like, so they'll feel our vibes going around them, around us.
Aura.
Yes.
When you go to somebody's house and all these things, your aura aisa rehna chahiye. Wow, man, I'm like awesome. I am happy. I'll make you happy. That's it. Like swag.
Barabar. I'm feeling your aura currently now, sir. I'm getting your aura.
I must believe in internet that my aura is like.
So here with this, we have come to our conclusion, sir. And hope for the best in upcoming ones, sir. Hands crossed. Okay.
Yes, hands crossed.
It was inspirational to hear to you, sir, hearing your thoughts and opinions on various topics. It was pleasure meeting you in this current situation and listening to you, sir. Thank you very much for taking your time and meeting with us, sir, and inspiring us. Hope to hear a lot from you in future also. Thank you, sir.
My wishes are always with you all.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.